Hello and welcome to RickyJordan.com. Today we're going to continue the series of video posts on the S key experiment. And what we want to show today is how you can use the S key command, shortcut command, in the drawing environment. And perhaps out of all of the implementations of this tool, this may very well be my favorite. So let's go ahead and get started here. I've got a simple drawing here, and what I've done is customize the S key to have common commands for what I use, the most common commands for me anyway on the drawing. And again, you may want to customize and add additional toolbar buttons here. But basically I've got the complete pull down of annotations, pull down of dimensions in case I need those. I've got the complete pull down for the drawing, so I think those are pretty much come standard in the base install for this command in drawings. But I've also added the model view, insert model view, the projected view, detail views, notes, balloons of a couple types there, the whole command, center marks, center lines, hide show annotations, a couple of format tools, layers. We've got a couple of block tools included, and also some geometry creation tools. So anyway, let's go ahead and use this command to insert a model view. So I've got a model already open here, and we'll start off in the front view and go ahead and just add a couple of views here. And on purpose, I'm not going to worry about the ISO quite at this point. So just so that I can show that the S key command can have that projected view option, which will allow me to come back at a later time and add that ISO command. So pretty handy, pretty efficient, really nice to have everything right there in front of you. So again, let's just go in here and do a couple of other things here. I'm not going to fully detail this part, but adding dimensions, as you can see, is pretty straightforward. Dimension tools right there at my fingertips. You can come in and add quite a few dimensions pretty quickly there. Probably one of the things that I usually do first, didn't in this case, but is to take a look at center lines and center marks. So let's actually first, we're going to convert the parent view here to a hidden lines visible mode, but I want the ISO to actually be shaded, so it will default turn off the use parent style there. Alright, so let's come in a little bit closer and use this S key to add center lines for this view. You see it adds them in there. There's really not going to be any for this view since the cut's not visible, and we'll add them for that view there. So pretty nice. Immediately switch over to the center mark tool, and this is another opportunity to show an enhancement in SolidWorks 2009 where you can utilize the slot center mark, since this particular feature was created with the new sketch slot command. So we'll go ahead and accept that, and as you can see, it's to me much cleaner interface, much easier to get to those commands very quickly there. If you want to create a symbol of some sort, let's just really quick create something over here. And notice I'm away from my drawing views. I'm not snapping in and activating the view as I sketch here, but I'm going to go over and just grab a circle. I'm away from everything, so I'm actually editing on the sheet, the drawing sheet itself, which is important in this case because I don't want this symbol to be snapped to a view or anything. So I'll just come in and we'll just actually need to switch over to a line, and we'll just split this circle in half. And what I'm going to do now is dig into my annotations tools here and go to the area command. Let's make this solid, and we'll just make one half of it black there. Accept that. But then again, you know, maybe I want to change that color. So I'll go to line color. Actually, I'm a little bit too soon. I need to pre-select. Go to line color, and let's just make that red. So then, again, highlight everything, use the S key command to create a block. And I can move this around anywhere I want on the the sheet. So there's perhaps if you use geometric tolerancing or datum tags on your drawings, you may want to add those. Those would be good candidates for the shortcut, the S key shortcut command menu as well. So anyway, that's all for today. Stay tuned, more to come.